Hello everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Over the last 16 years, we've been dedicated to creating tools that save you time and simplify your work. We have more than 7,500 happy customers ranging from small businesses to large corporations, and we receive countless weekly emails from users telling us how much they love our tools. Our 5-star Google reviews speak volumes about the real difference we're making. Feel free to read these reviews to see what our clients say about our tools. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a highly requested tool, our Google Maps Business Scraper. This Excel-based tool makes it possible to generate a list of businesses by category and radius directly in Excel. Say goodbye to tedious manual searching or exporting data. This tool does all the work for you. For example, if you want to find Chinese restaurants in Salt Lake City, simply choose Restaurant for the business type, enter Chinese as the keyword, Salt Lake City as the location, set a 35-mile radius, and click Search. In just a few seconds, you'll see a neatly organized list of up to 60 businesses in Excel, including details such as business name, type, address, phone number, price level, and rating. Keep in mind that Google limits the results to 60 entries at a time. However, you can easily refine your search by adjusting the radius or location to obtain more precise data. To download the Google Maps Business Scraper, check the link in the description below. If you have any questions or need assistance, our phone and email are also provided in the description. You can also reach us via live chat. We value personal connection, and when you reach out, you'll speak directly to a real person instead of an answering machine or bot. Vinny, the mastermind of Excel Distance Calculators, will be happy to assist you personally. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more tools and tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy extracting and enjoy making your workflows easier.